shot on the shed. The shingles are coming off. The wood has never been painted. It's really, really dry. I've got lower kitchen cabinets in there that I use for storage. I'm going to make them pretty and just organize this shed. So enjoy the journey. It's going to take probably 3 or 4 weeks. I've left a message with both the metal salvage places around here, around metal for the roof. I priced it. It was $175 through the Amish, and I'm going to try to find it cheaper. So that might take a little while, and I will check back with them so they'll know that I'm still interested. I forgot to turn the recorder on. They're all painted. I spray painted them a lime green to brighten this up. These are going to be interesting to paint because the simple fact I got rollers on the back and I don't want to sit up. But I'm going to paint them this Rust-Oleum gloss yellow. Okay, this is what I've got done. I've got the bottoms painted. I made a countertop out of 2x4s and I painted that. There's some of them missing, as you can see, and I'm going to try to make some little cubby holes with some tongue and groove that I have left over, so I can just at least use it for some shelving. And if you can see back here, I have made a little shelving unit for my scrap lumber. This is made out of a 2x4 that's hooked to the joist. These are actually industrial racks out of a, or I should say racks out of an industrial cooler. I've made some cleats to hold them, and I just used the regular framing from the shed. My insulation's falling down, and I want to do a cheap solution for that so it's not hitting me in the head. And then hopefully this week I will get to paint the outside, but it's about between 95 and 100 degrees outside. So see you next week.